This is the Americolor Super Black Gel Food Coloring, and this makes a really good black food coloring, but I think you're going to have to use a lot of it. And the way that I'm doing these, I'm just testing these out today. I've got a 1/4 cup of white buttercream icing. It's just a practice icing, so it's shortening and confectioner sugar. So it started out white. I'm putting 1 drop in. It's a 1/4 cup with 1 drop, 2 drops. And for this one, I put an extra drop. So this has actually 4 drops. And I wanted to see if there was a big difference between the medium and the dark. You can't really see it, but I can tell just in real life, this does look a little bit darker than this one. But once you get to a certain point, you're just going to have to add a ton more food coloring, and it's not going to get that much darker. The way to get this darker is to leave it out overnight, and it will darken up. But this would be good to make gray if you just want an all-purpose kind of black. And you could use this to darken other colors. But I think this would give you a good black, especially in contrast with other colors if you let it sit out. But as it is now, it's fine. I'm also going to test out a few different ways to, make black food coloring. There's black cocoa. People use that, except that's going to give you a very strong chocolate flavor. And if you don't want that, then this is a good option. But it's going to be, it's a lot. You're going to have to use a lot of food coloring. So there's a few ways to get a good black. This is a good black, but you are going to have to use a decent amount of it to get to this color.